Hello everyone, today we're gonna make woolen hut. So first of all, let's take one cardboard. Then we will draw a hut on it. Properly size it and then draw. Now we will cut the shape of the hut. Nicely. Now this intricate part, you might have to use your finger. Do a little bit shaping with your own finger. So it's done. So now take one end of the wool and stick it to the board. Then wrap the wool throughout the shape. Just follow how I am doing. You need to see whether any portion is getting left or not. If there is any portion which is getting left, then you should wrap your wool from there too. More you make it thicker, more it will look good. So try to make it thicker with lots of wool. Now cut one end and then stick that end to the hut. Now the wool hut is ready.